Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Jade. I post videos over here at least 3 times a week. I've got a vlogging channel and I upload daily on TikTok too. So in today's video, I'm very excited. We're going to be doing a drugstore makeup haul. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while and I've got quite a lot of new bits to show you all, so I thought we're a little bit overdue, so why not share with you what I've bought recently. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and leave me a lovely little comment, and please do subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. Without further ado, let's get started. So as I said, I feel like this is way overdue. I haven't done like a drugstore makeup haul in a while, and I have a box of goodies here that I've purchased, so I just wanted to show you what I've got. I will be trying them all out individually in different videos, so make sure you look out for those. I just want to get straight on with it. So firstly, I've got a brand new foundation. This is by Wet n Wild, and to be fair, I haven't tried that many Wet n Wild products before, and I want to try more by them. I've got one concealer and that is it. And recently they've just come into my Boots store, so I've actually been able to access more of their products. So this is what the foundation looks like. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is a matte foundation with light to medium coverage. I went for this shade Soft Beige. Like, admittedly, I look very pale right now, so I do need a good tan. But I think this will be about perfect. When I buy a foundation, I like to go to the store in the store, like the Revolution stall, and compare it to one that I currently use. So a really good reference that I use quite a lot of the time is my IRL foundation by Revolution, because that is just perfection. I absolutely love that one. So quite a lot of the time I'll grab that and then try like shade match. I'll swatch them both, shade match the bottles. And to me, this one was the closest, and I actually think it looks like a beautiful shade as well. It looks really nice. Recently, while looking for new foundations, I found they've all had like a really strong undertone. So either a really strong yellow or a really strong like pinky peachy undertone, and that's just not me. I need more of a neutral one, and I think this is about perfect. I actually looked for the MUA foundation because I love their concealer, but their foundation, I just cannot find one in the right shade to suit me because I've wanted to try it for so long. I just can't find the right shade, but this looked absolutely perfect. So yeah, I picked that one up. This is supposed to mattify and blur the skin for a shiny, free finish. So next I actually got another product from Wet n Wild because I do want to try more of their products and like try their brand out a little bit more. And this is the Wet n Wild Highlight. This is the Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. It was this one or one that was, I think, a bit more of a pinky tone, so I went for this one instead. I absolutely love the imprint on it. I think it looks so cute. There we go, you can see it now. I think it looks so cute. And they had a deal on. I think the foundation was like £6.99, and I think the highlight was like £4.99 or like £5.99 or something. But then it was something like £8.99 if you bought 2 products. So it was like buy one get one half price or something. So I bought them both because I thought I want to try more products by them. So I bought this one as well, and I just think this looks absolutely stunning. I'm currently redoing my office. I went through all of my highlights and I put them all in one drawer, and it's actually ridiculous how many I've got. Like, I think I actually have a problem, but I probably shouldn't have bought more. But hey ho, we've done it anyway. Next I've got another foundation. This is from Primark. This is the PS My Perfect Colour Perfect Finish Foundation. So it's a medium to full coverage. It's supposed to have a natural finish. It's enriched with vitamin C, vitamin E. And I got it in the shade Cool Beige. And if you compare them both, they're actually very similar. This one's just a little bit lighter with more of a yellowy undertone than this one. I think it looks really nice, cruelty free, vegan, and it is only £3, which for Primark at the moment, all of their prices seem to be shooting up. Like the other foundation that was there was like, I think it was something like £9. I'm like, that is not cheap. Like, you go to Primark for like more affordable things, and like I got this one for cheaper than that, so I thought I don't want to buy that one, but this one was £3, so I thought I wanted to try it out, see what it's like. Got really nice, cute, classic packaging too. Next I've got the new Collection Cosmetics range, and this is the Vit Hit range. I didn't buy everything, but I bought quite a few things. So firstly I bought the bronzer. So this is their Kiwi bronzer, the Sweet Kiwi scent. I absolutely love that. It's so cute. I love the way it's just displayed. I think it looks really nice. I do love Collection, especially their concealer and bronzer. I think it is gorgeous. I also bought the blush. This is in the shade Pomelo, which It's such a pretty colour, and when I swatch them, they look super pigmented. This to me on the swatch looks like a bit of a dupe for the Dior blush. It just looks that exact same shade. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these ones out. Then I also bought the cooling primer from the range. I've smelt this, and this smells just like limes. Like, it's such a strong smell, and it's a really green. Like, if you look at it in here, it is like bright green, so I think that's kind of crazy. But it smells, just smells so strongly of lime, which is not a bad smell. Like, it could smell of a lot worse, to be fair. But this is what it looks like. One thing I love about Collection is how affordable their makeup is as well. And currently they're on 3 for 2 at Superdrug. So I bought these 3 and then ended up getting the blush for free, I think it was. I think this was $7.99. This was like $5.99. I think this one was $4.99. Because the bronzer is slightly bigger than the blush, which is a little bit strange, but I don't mind that. So the blush actually has a vitamin C in it. And then the bronzer actually has a vitamin E and antioxidants and A in, so that's really good. Something else I got from the range was the liners. So they came with 4 different liners in this collection, and I couldn't afford to buy them all, and with it being 3 for 2, I decided to buy 3 of the 4. So they had yellow, orange, pink, and green. Looking back, I kind of wish that I'd got the green, because I think it's just such a vibrant, it looks beautiful, so I might have to buy it another day. But these were £3.99 each, so these are the ones I bought, and they are just so cute. They look so vibrant. It was actually the post-it in the store that made me buy these, because they just looked so high-vis, so neon, so beautiful, so like good pigmentation. And this is what the packaging looks like as well, which is super cute. I really like it. So yeah, I bought these ones. I thought they'd be like perfect for summer. I've been really into like liners and like glitter and like gems and just more like summery outlet makeup at the moment. So I bought these ones to try. Most of my liners are more like water liners rather than like pens and stuff. So I'm excited to kind of like incorporate these into my routine. Next, I've got a product by Barry M. And I couldn't decide because Barry M has some liners out as well at the moment. Just like this, but they're shorter. They're probably like that big. And they have some beautiful colours. And I really wanted to try those ones. However, they were a little bit more pricey, I believe, than the Collection ones were. And they weren't on 3 for 2, so I didn't get those because I can only get so much with, you know, cost of living going up and not being able to afford things. So I didn't want to go mad, so I just got the ones from Collection instead. But instead, I did buy the Barry M Pigment Paint. I think they have 5 different shades, and they are all absolutely stunning. There's a really nice like sky blue one, there's a turquoisey one, they've got a beautiful orange, I think they've got a yellow, and this is one that I went for. This lilac-y purple is called Lilac Love, and honestly, it looks absolutely unreal. I swatched it in the store. Why is it coming out? It won't stop coming out. It won't stop coming out. What is going on? So I just opened that on camera to show you what it looked like, and it literally exploded. I don't know how or why. I'm guessing in the store someone had been like squeezing and playing with it, because when I opened it, it was literally like, you know those volcanoes that you can do in school as like a project? It was just like that. I opened it and it just went absolutely everywhere. Like, it's still got loads and loads of product in there, but I literally cannot believe that just happened. So I had to pause the video for a minute, go clean it all up. It literally just went everywhere. Like, it is all in here as well. Like, it's covered like all of those liners, but you can see like the colour. It's a beautiful colour. It's really nice. That's just one of the liners. It's gone on the liners, it's gone on the primer, on my box. Like, I don't know why that just happened. But it's a beautiful colour, it's really nice, and they're really affordable as well. To be fair, with Barry M, I tried one of their bronzers like 3 years ago now, and I wasn't massively impressed. Like, it just wasn't the one. It had 2 different shades and a highlighting, and it was so pigmented that you put a tiny bit on and it just didn't blend out. It just wasn't the one at all. So I've kind of avoided Barry M, if I'm completely honest, since then. But recently, they've brought some really nice things out. So I think they're making a really big comeback, because Everything I've seen or tried by them recently is absolutely stunning. So I really want to get into them and like buy more things by them. So I thought I'd try this one out first. So the next one I've got is still Drugstore, but it's not really makeup, it's more skincare. And this one was very, very kindly gifted, but I wanted to include it in the video anyway. So this is Beauty Bay's SPF 50 High Protector. So they very, very kindly sent this over. It's got UV filters and cornflower in, and it just looks so, so good. So this is a face lotion with UVA and UVB. It works to protect, soothe and moisturize the skin, and it's for use in the morning, and you use it after you're moisturizing and protecting. And I'm really excited to try it. I'm going to open it up because I haven't opened it yet, and I'm really excited to see what it's all about. So this is what the package looks like. Very classic Beauty Bay skincare. It matches all the rest of the things like their cleansing balm. Love that. So let's just have a little try and see what it's all about. It's a little pumping dispenser. Oh wow, that is definitely a lotion. That feels really nice. Let's go feel what it's like on my hand. Let's just rub that into my hand. Like, it is very, very liquidy. As you can see, it's literally just dripping down my hand. Oh, that is literally just like gliding into my hand. That does feel really moisturizing. Something that I find with a lot of SPFs is they feel very, very oily and very greasy, and they've got a very, very strong smell. Do you know what? That smells more of tan than it does of anything else, but it actually smells really nice. It's a very subtle smell. And if you look at my hand, it doesn't look oily. Like, my fingers, they don't look or feel oily at all. Do you know what? That's beautiful. I really, really like that. I'm definitely going to be using that this summer. Yeah, that feels amazing. That's one thing I hate about like sun creams and like SPFs, that on my skin and like my face especially, they make me so oily and so greasy. But yeah, I really like that. That actually feels really, really nice. It's a tiny bit tacky, but yeah, nothing too much at all, but it does smell of tan, but it's like quite a nice smell of tan. Next, I've got a Revolution product. This is from the Artist Collection, and I haven't used it yet, but I did buy it at the same time as I bought their face paint palette, which I've done a review on, but I haven't opened this yet. So this glows under UV light, so I really, really need to get some lights to work for this. But this is a £6 palette, and it looks gorgeous. I love these shades. The ones that are reaching out to me the most, this yellow and 100% this green. Look at how gorgeous that green looks. This one here on the website, I actually thought was a black, but if you look a little bit more up close, it's actually a really deep purple, which I think looks gorgeous. So yeah, I absolutely love that. It's really, really nice and compact, really handy. And as I said, I'm more into like liners and more creative makeup at the moment, so I thought this would be fabulous, especially for Halloween. Thought that'd be really, really good. I actually thought they were quite affordable as well. I think the big palette was like $7.99. I think this one was $4.99. And if you look, you've got 6 different pans in here, so you're paying like less than £1 per shade. So I think that's really, really good. And then the final thing we've got is some liners from Glisten Cosmetics. So I recently did a bit of a haul with Glisten, and I have been wanting to try them for the longest time ever, and I finally placed an order and they have arrived, so I want to show you what I've got. To start off with, this is one of the ones that caught my name the most on the website, and it is called Mint Chalk, and it's a gorgeous green brown split liner. As you can tell, I have actually already used these because I had to try them out as soon as I got them. But it's a beautiful lime green with this nice soft brown. Such a gorgeous combination of shades, like they look beautiful together. Then I got Blue Sky. So I really, really struggled to choose the shades because on their website they have so many different ones, and I really struggled which ones to get. So I went for split liners more than regular ones because you get even more colour in there. Like, you get 2 colours in one rather than just getting like 1 colour per product, per liner. So I thought to do that and then get a load, like a variety of different colours, try them out and then see how we go, and probably just top up my collection as we go. So next one is another split liner. Gorgeous colour. This is called Blue Sky. It's got this dark blue at the top and then the light blue at the bottom. Next we've got a pinky one. So they were all different prices, but I did a bundle as well, so you got money off of the bundle, and they also had a code on the website, so it was even cheaper. I think at the moment they've got like 50% off all liners as well, so I might have to buy some more. So I've got another split liner in the shade Pepper, which I thought was so cute. I knew I definitely wanted to get a pink, but I didn't know which pink to go for because there were so many. But that's what I went for in the end. Then I got a purple, which is Grapevine. Again, absolutely stunning. This is what they look like. I thought the pastels were going to be my favourites, but I actually like the brighter colours more. So I think out of them all, that purple is probably my favourite because it is so intense and such a beautiful, beautiful colour. Then I've got Quack, which I really like. So I did want a yellow, and I actually got a different, I nearly got a different yellow in a different split liner set. But then I had the black and white, but I was like, it's a little bit pricey for what you've got. I do have blacks in different waterliners, so I thought I'd just go for that instead. And then I saw Quack, which most of them are like £7 each, £7.50 each. However, if you get this one, it was like £4, I think it was. So I got the yellow and white together, which I wanted a yellow anyway, definitely wanted a white. So I thought that was a really, really good deal. The yellow is super, super bright. It's really, really neon and gorgeous. And you can never go wrong with a white. Like, they're so good for like little accents, little details, or just doing a white liner. Then I've got one more split liner, which is this one here, which is called Split Peas. This one for me was a no-brainer. I knew I wanted this. Like, it is gorgeous. The green is a different shade to the one with the brown. It's more of a, it's a bit lighter than that one, but that dark one is just gorgeous. And then the final one I've got was one of their shimmers. I actually wanted to get one of the duochrome ones, but then I looked at them all, and then I looked at this one, and I just fell in love with it. So this is in the shade Waves, and it is unreal. Like, look at that. It is just beautiful, so I just had to get this one. It does have a bit of a duochrome effect, like in different lighting. It looks a little bit green, a little bit blue, a little bit white, so I absolutely love that, and I just couldn't resist that one. But now that the sale is even bigger, I think I'm gonna have to treat myself and get some more bits, because so far everyone that I've tried I absolutely love. And I just want more colours, more things, want to create more with them. They've actually got a new palette out as well. I think it's a Time Warp palette, and I really, really want to try that. It's like pure glitter, and it just looks insane. So that is it. That is my drugstore haul for, I want to say May, but it may even go up in June. But that is my drugstore haul for this month. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this. I love watching other people do these. I love doing them as well, because I love finding new products and just trying new things out. I am really bad at buying new makeup, especially like in the sales. Like, I am just so terrible. Like, I'm just addicted to sales. So I really enjoy these videos. I love showing you guys what I've got. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to see me review or to test out. But that is going to be it for me for today. I really hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and please do subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. That is it for me for today, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.